Hey y'all, welcome back to another makeup tutorial. First of all, thank y'all so much for 100 subscribers. We reached 100 subscribers in only like 4 weeks. Stop playing with me. So welcome new babes. If you are new here, I am Sharnique. I am a pro makeup artist located in Dallas, Texas, and welcome to my channel. And in today's video, I am back with one of my favorite clients. Your girl came back, and by the way, her video is blowing up. Like the one that I uploaded of her, that's the one that's going up, and I just love it. So we're back with her again, and today we're gonna be getting into like a fun makeup look. So yeah, let's get into it. So I already cleaned and prepped her skin. Now I'm going in with her brows. I took some NYX brow gel first and laid her brows down, and then I took like a metal tweezer and kind of like pressed the brows down. And listen, that method is fire. I usually like using it on people who have like fine eyebrows, like not too thick. Maybe I need to try a stronger brow gel, but the NYX only does good for fine hairs in my opinion. So yeah, but they look so good. I took my Maybelline Fit Me eyebrow pencil. I had to think about what did I use, but I took the eyebrow pencil, drew in her brows of course, and we're cleaning her brows up with my good old handy dandy concealer brush. I've had this since I started my makeup journey. This is so crazy. I literally stole this brush from my mom's collection. She will get like MAC products and stuff, y'all, and I just took over all of her makeup stuff. Like I just took over. And I remember she had 2 of these concealer brushes, Bare Minerals. I've been using the same, I lost the other one, but I've been using the same one since 2014, y'all. Do the math. Like this brush has been with me for almost 10 years. Like what? Yeah. So anyway, going in with her eyes. So we're gonna do a rhinestone eye makeup today. The eye makeup was really simple, and we just added the rhinestones for that extra razzle dazzle. So I went in with some brown eyeshadow for the transition color. I took some concealer, the lightest shade I have, and I kind of just blended that in her eyelid. And then I took some white eyeshadow, added that, packed that on there, and right here I'm just going in and kind of just adding some darker brown, like a dark brown to the outer corners, and it just looks so blended. It's blended to perfection. And I'm going in with the NYX white eyeliner because the look that she showed me, I'm gonna post a picture of the look that she sent me, and let me know if I nailed it. Sometimes I hate using white eyeliner because it's so tricky to use. Like you have to be careful with white eyeliner, y'all, because if you mess up, it's like fuck, right? So I took my time with this eyeliner. I feel like it came out pretty good. Like the eyeshadow looks so clean and so blended. Had to grab my fan, y'all, because y'all know clients like to open their eyes while the eyeliner is still wet. So if you got a fan, blow it while their eyes is closed, and do it quick, because not that she did it, but you know, you have those clients that be ready to open their eyes and look in their phone. So that's just a little method I've been using ever since, because it always just takes that one. It always takes that one client. But yeah, so right here we're adding the rhinestones in. I'm just adding it to like her crease, so we're kind of giving it like a cut crease effect kind of. And I'm using my nail stuff, y'all. I used to be a nail tech, so I just have all my nail supplies, rhinestones, this nail gem pen. Like it's amazing. I will link it down below. But yeah, I'm using all my little my old nail stuff. It still comes in handy. And then yeah, we're gonna finish her brows. I really love this look. It came out super pretty. It looks so good. The brows are snatched. Like they are laid. When I tell you that brow gel is lit, it's lit. Of course, you know I'm going in with my NYX foundation. I did go in with 2 different shades, and we're just going to blend that out. Of course, the Tarte Shape Concealer. I know this is really bright, so I did go in with another shade to kind of just darken that concealer a little bit because it was too bright. It was too bright. So I did go in with like a darker shade, like 2 shades down, to kind of calm that down because it was too bright. And then of course I'm going to contour, and we're going to blend that contour out first, and then we're going to go in and blend everywhere that we highlighted. Baby, listen, one thing I learned about the liquid blushes from Juvias Place, I learned that a dot is all you need. Literally, y'all, this stuff, a little goes a long way. So be careful with this stuff. So I only literally took like a dot and just applied it to her cheeks. And I'm going in with my translucent powder from Mercier. My girl, love this stuff. So I'm just setting everywhere that we highlighted. It looks so good. I just be taking my time. Like, you can tell I'm very detailed. And then of course I'm carving out her cheeks with this triangle powder puff. I love this. Whoever came up with the triangle powder puffs, you did that. Elite. I love the triangle powder puffs, y'all. And then of course we're going to add the finishing touches to her eyes. She literally looks like a doll, especially with this headband. She looks so cute. And then, you know, we got to go in under the lashes. I'm applying the shimmer to her nose. She literally looks like a Barbie doll. And the Morphe setting spray to set. And we're going to fan and pat that in. And this is the final look. I'm so obsessed. This came out so pretty. Oh, I also added rhinestones under her eyes as well, y'all. It came out so pretty. Let me know if I nailed this look. But yes, comment down below. Let me know what y'all think. Don't forget to thumbs this video up. And if you made it all the way through, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. You are going to love it here. Thank y'all so much for watching. Love y'all so much. And I'm going to see y'all in my next video.